Okay guys, I've encountered this random glitch with this SmartBoard UF65, I think. Who knows if I got the model name correctly, but watch what happens when I unplug the VGA right here from my laptop. Guess what happens? Look at the screen. What the hell is that? That's not normal. See, it comes back when I hook it up. It's all normal. And then if I unplug it again, it makes weird pictures, bro. Looks like I'm seeing random drawings. Well, these SmartBoards are failing in 2026. They are overrated.